893 days still in new halving. Fear and greed index is at 47%, which is neutral. This update was before the current sell-off that is happening with the Bitcoin. So in the next 13 hours we're about to have a next update, and it probably would be another lower low on a fear and greed index, somewhere in a 30% area, somewhere there. So yeah, currently Bitcoin is trading at 54.6k, currently down minus 7.4%, and also stock market is having a sell-off right now, as you can imagine. Just like 2 days ago we were talking about stock market being at plus 28 year to date, and obviously, as you can imagine, and the fact that 10% would be a pretty nice correction for the stock markets, considering that retail still in a control of the current pump. That is, I mean, the current growth. Yeah, let's just call it like that. So yeah, and obviously Bitcoin still looking bearish because 60k resistance was not broken. And sadly, yesterday we got rejected from 59k. There was a hope for the 60k test, and the downtrend resistance was pretty close for this current for the candles. And sadly, we got rejected, and we got a pretty fast sell-off. Maybe because of stock market. Maybe pretty much because of stock market. If you're gonna correlate the for our candles, it's literally the same correlation there. But again, it was not that big of a hoping for the short term, since 58.8k was broken, and obviously the current trading channel for us would be 60k and 53k. So 53k still, we never tested the 53k, so obviously there's plenty of time for 53k to get tested. And for the midterm we're still looking bullish, so obviously short term there's nothing you can do about it, still in a downtrend. Currently Bitcoin is trading at the 54.6k on a 4-hour time frame. Indicators, let's move to the indicators. RSI on a 4-hour time frame is looking oversold, actually, currently at 30%. MACD on a 4-hour time frame is flipping from a green phase to the red phase, which is pretty bad. 5200 MA is above current trading candle, which is pretty bad. On a daily time frame, 50 is above, 200 is below. Currently trading roughly in the middle of it, so it's kind of looking neutral there on a 5200 MA. On a daily time frame, MACD is in a red phase. There's no curves to the upside, there's no curves to the green phase, which is pretty bad. On RSI, it's currently RSI at 35 roughly, which is slightly oversold on the RSI daily time frame. Bitcoin weekly time frame, we are currently trading below the previous candle, completely below the previous candle, which is pretty bad. MACD is still in a green phase, but there's some pretty serious curves to the downside, to the red phase, which is pretty bearish. RSI on a weekly time frame is looking neutral. Monthly time frame in general is just looking monthly is just still looking bullish, actually, because we are trading above the previous open of a candle that we had in October. So obviously monthly time frame that's a slow moving time frame, because again it's a pretty big time frame, so sentiment is changing there pretty slowly. So obviously we need a lot of time to change the monthly time frame to the bearish sentiment. So yeah, there's the BTC dominance is looking flat. If you're gonna look at it was kind of flat for the whole November, so nothing special happening on the BTC dominance. And all of the altcoins, Ethereum, BNB, all of them also red, the same downtrend as Bitcoin right now. having the same sell-off. So let's move on to the news. Let's start with the Mexico's third richest man that is advising to buy Bitcoin now, and he says to buy Bitcoin now, which would be actually pretty nice considering we are down minus 21% from an all-time high. So that would be pretty nice deep buy, let's just say like that. Minus 21 is pretty decent to start a position or to do a DCA, so Thai, which is Thailand, lawmakers urge to approve tourism crypto to entice digital nomads. So there's some nice adoption for the whole crypto market cap from Thailand. Also, Bitcoin apparently overtakes PayPal on value that is being transferred, and the next one would be MasterCard for this one. So yeah, that's pretty much all news TA for today. Obviously Bitcoin is dropping right now, stock market is dropping right now, all of the altcoins are dropping right now, and yeah, there is the 53k support, hoping for that one to have a quick bounce, and maybe in December to have a 60k breakout, and then to start a new bullish new bull run, obviously for the Bitcoin to new all-time high, maybe in December, maybe in the next year. Again, it's like 1 month left till the next yearly candle. Yeah, so yeah, obviously hoping for the 60k breakout and to the moon.